Google Analytics for Marketing 2020. This is going to be the first in a series of videos for marketing professionals at the management level, and for those of you new to Google Analytics to kind of get a grasp or how to work some of the different Google Analytics views that you can take a look at. And today we're going to take a look at the real-time overview. And all of these will be from the Google Merchandise Store, and everybody can access that for free. When you take a look at this view right now, the overview, really what this is best used for is to see how many people are on your website at the current time. At this point, there's currently 14 people on the Google Merchandise Store, and as you see, it switches to 15, so it is a real-time look. Right below there, you see the mobile and the desktop traffic, and this shows what percentage of traffic is mobile and what percentage is desktop. Currently, 64% is mobile and 36% is desktop. Other key factors on the overview screen include the top referral traffic, the top social traffic, top keywords, and the top active pages. One of the things I always like to look at is your top referrals. Now, in this case, it is Coursera currently for the Google Merchandise Store. But for marketers looking at some of their top referrals, that might be Facebook, it might be LinkedIn, it could possibly be even Twitter. It could be some of your paid advertising if you're doing some paid advertising for either display or Google cost per click. So I always take a look at the top referral traffic when I'm looking at my real-time overview in Google Analytics. The top locations report shows where some of the higher density traffic is located. In this example, color indicators indicate quickly at a glance how much traffic is coming and going from different parts of the world. What's interesting overall is at this time, you see that 16 people are on the website, 70% of the traffic is mobile, and the top referral is Coursera. That's a look at the Google Merchandise Store real-time traffic report, the overview traffic page, which is located on the left-hand side under the overview. And we'll come back and take a look at the locations report in this next Google Analytics overview for 2020.